So what I'm going to do is I made sure that it goes on the all the way to the point. As you can see, there is a point, and it's, you see the arrow mark, it's right there. So it's tight, and they said that I should turn the water on after that, which I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna turn the water on. Okay, you can hear the sound like fish. Okay, all right, cool. And then we will hold our cup for 5 minutes. They said that 5 minutes to make sure that it's clear. Oh my god, it started like jumping. All right, we'll do something else. I guess I did it too much, so I'm gonna close little bit so that the water pressure stays little low. Let me see. Yeah, okay, that's it. This water is coming and it's fine. The pressure level is fine and everything is fine. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.